Hello everyone, see you again. And today, same the previous day, I have a new idea. Yes, with we call free water with free water by compressor, right? And you can see compressor here. It's very heavy. See where? And this one I set up already. Here you can see this one with double wire check here. These are used with the 34mm pipe. But don't forget, when you set up it, you have to make sure, right? Make sure no linking when you connect between pipe to pipe. If you have any linking here, with a linking air linking as well, we cannot suck the water from this well, this well through by this input pipe, right? Yes, this one we call input pipe, and output pipe just use with the 21mm pipe. So this we just use this right compressor with a refrigerator compressor that I set up with this one, and you can suck the water through by this one to use. But this project we just use the electricity with this compressor, right? You can see with this compressor. Okay, right now, and you can see here. So next step I will show you. I just use electricity here. Okay, and then okay, right now we'll you can see here with well here you can see with this well is water is so deep. What? So okay, right now you can see here I will use this if you can see this compressor need electricity to use, right? So okay, how does it work? I will show you. Then I start to plus with this electricity. Wow, that is right, just with electricity. But don't forget, when you process this kind of project, you have to be careful because we use the electricity. It can make you shock, right? Okay, and this project, this one is we don't need to pay a lot of money. You just pay a little money and you can do it. Wow, I will take the I just output pipe just use with the 21mm pipe. So that right now I use with the big one. I will show you. I just take it off, and then I use the big one in this kind of project. Like this. Okay. With the big one, it can suck because compressor, this kind of compressor is so strong, it's easy to suck the water. Okay. And then now, and the last at least, I would like to say thank you so much that you spend the value time to see my review in this video. So hope see you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.